Hey guys, Christopher Drummond here, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial. I was just about to put on some concealer. Yes, I admit it, I use concealer sometimes, but only under my eyes. And I wanted to show men or women out there how to do this without looking cakey. So what I do first, I just washed my face. I take a little bit of an oil that I have here, I put it on. You have to have some type of hydrator underneath your concealer or it's going to look awful every single time. I don't care how hydrated your skin is. I don't care how oily. Your eyes need extra oil and moisture. I use, it's a mixture of 7 different oils, but it's all organic, good stuff. Now, I'm gonna take a can you see? A very small amount of concealer. This is the key, and I'm going to put it on in the corner of the eye underneath. And do you see how smoothly that's going on? And it's going on that smoothly because of the oil that I put on underneath. And can you see already, just from going in the corner and building it out, how much better that looks? So I'm gonna do the other side. Same amount, very small, people. Put it on inner corner and dot it around. That's actually too much, FYI. So now I'm gonna have to blend it all down. Yeah, that's too much. So I'm gonna wipe my finger off. I'm gonna use the finger that doesn't have any on it. Yes, you're supposed to be very gentle with that area. I don't use this finger, but I just make sure that I'm being gentle with the area. And there we go. So that is the full amount. And what I did is I just kind of blended it down a little bit. You can see this side needs a teeny bit more, so I'm just gonna take a teeny bit out of here. This is why I like this type of concealer that's in a tube, because you have more control over how much product you're getting, and you also don't contaminate, which I'm really big on. Contamination is not good. So there we go. Can you see that? There's that, there's that. And then if you wanted to, you could set it with a powder. There. Now you can see it. You can set it with a powder. I usually use a very light powder. This one is just a shine control. It's a setting powder. Like so. And I use a very small brush. So again, so I don't put too much of it on. And I very lightly dot it on. And this is just going to help the concealer to stay on. Okay? And there you go. And if you wanted to, then you could cover up any little flaws you have. You don't want to do too much covering up though. So there you go. That's how you use concealer without looking like you have concealer on. There you go. Christopher Drummond. Don't forget to subscribe down here. And I have more great videos and tutorials coming up. If you have any ideas, just let me know. Maybe I'll do a little video on it. Thanks, guys. Mwah.